Managing 500 wedding guests by hand. It feels free, but it quietly costs you dozens of hours and a few disasters. Let's add it up. The manual way: a giant Excel sheet and then copy, paste, send. One guest at a time into WhatsApp. Just sending the first invite to 500 guests. Copy, paste, send 500 times. That is hours gone in an afternoon. Then the hidden costs. Typos in names. Guests you missed. No proof of who got it. And your personal number, one report away from a ban. Now multiply it. Reminders, RSVP follow-ups, resending every failed message, by hand, every single time. Across one wedding, a planner easily burns 40 hours on guest messaging alone. 40 hours you could spend on the actual event. The other way. Import the list once. Send to everyone once. Track delivery and RSVPs in one place. The same work. 40 hours down to about 40 minutes. Plus no bans, proof of every delivery, and RSVPs that count themselves. Stop paying with your time. Try Weddingkart at weddingkart.co.